In this short video, I'm going to show you the simple steps needed to install the software packages and configure a new endpoint to join a CyberHive Connect fast and resilient software-defined mesh network. Our organisation BlueSun are using CyberHive Connect to establish secure, zero-trust communication directly between approved endpoints. In this diagram, the items coloured blue represent BlueSun's existing endpoints. Our new employee Zoe is going to install the CyberHive Connect software packages onto the laptop computer shown here as Zoe-PC. There are three main steps that our new user Zoe needs to perform. The first is to install the CyberHive Connect client software. We uncheck the View README checkbox and click on the Finish button to complete the installation. The second step is to take the supplied configuration information and apply this to our newly installed CyberHive client software service. To make this really easy, we have provided Zoe with a CyberHive Connect config setup utility, which can also be installed using a wizard. Using the wizard, Zoe accepts the default folder location for the installation and also decides to allow any user of this PC to use the utility. With the utility installed, clicking on the Close button will close the wizard and a new icon appears on the desktop. Double-clicking on this new icon will open the newly installed Connect config setup utility. Now Zoe needs to enter the username and token details provided by the administrator, which will be applied to the configuration of CyberHive Connect's client software on the PC. Clicking on the Update Config button will complete the client software changes that are required. At this point, a systems administrator will need to approve Zoe's newly configured PC before it can communicate with other endpoints within the trusted area network. Here we will act as BlueSun's systems administrator, and using the Endpoints tab in the Organisations page and clicking on Refresh, we can see that Zoe's PC has indeed been added to the network, but it is currently unapproved. When the systems administrator is ready to approve this endpoint, they simply click on the red toggle in the row where Zoe's PC is listed, and after confirming the action by clicking on the Approve button, this endpoint can now communicate with the other endpoints in the Zero Trust software-defined mesh network. Now back on Zoe's PC, the third and final step will start the CyberHive Connect service. Clicking on the OK button to close the dialog box and click on the Start Service button in the Connect configuration window, we can see that the status of the CyberHive Connect service changes to running. And we have finished. Referring back to our now updated BlueSun organisation diagram, you can see that Zoe has successfully installed CyberHive Connect and Zoe's PC is approved to join BlueSun's network. If you would like to find out more about how CyberHive Connect can help you to simplify administrative tasks, reduce the attack surface of your organisation's network, or remove traditional VPN bottlenecks, please reach out using the link shown here. Thank you for watching.